Guys, South Africans has bowed and surrendered to Nigeria, apologizing to Nigeria to forgive them.
South African Nigerians, you must be studied. Like the way the Europeans are fighting for our minerals and everything. Yeah? Nigeria and South Africa, your relationship needs to be studied because something, man.
I said some black South Africans will put South Africa in trouble. This is what I was talking about. You guys went and be starting those petty games with Nigeria. How do they feel now? Now that even your government is begging Nigerian to stop.
For people that are not Africans, I'm sure you're even asking yourselves, what the hell is this? Yes, it's very true. You think you are petty. Africans are petty. But Africans are petty. Me, I thought recently we must fear Kenyans. But once again, I've been reminded, South Africans and Nigerians. Aha! No wonder. Nigeria is the giant of Africa, and South Africa is like, Nigeria, you don't have the crown anymore, so we're the giants. The biggest and top and most extravagant economies in Africa, they are going cash to cash. They're going bolt to bolt. They're not even going band to band. They're going money to money. What kind of pettiness is this? Okari toxic relationship nyan. Okari you love each other. Okari you don't love each other. Okari you beef each other. Okari you support each other. Wait again, like I me to myself and I am confused.
My question is, why would South Africa start a fight they cannot finish? Why? Now them started this. So Nigerians are very peaceful. They don't start fight first. Wait till they think they can mess with Nigerians. Nigerians are on their own. They started ordering for boat driver from South Africa, wasting Nigerian money, leaving Nigerians stranded on the streets. Now Nigerians reciprocated the energy and now they are crying. They are crying. Even right now, they are still begging, apologizing for Nigerians. What were you even thinking? What is South Africa even thinking? That because of the fights we have, our internal fight is a family fight. Forget, say, with the Igbos, Yoruba, Hausa, they fight them. Now our personal problem, our family problem. You think you can mess with us? Listen. Forget about the fight what they have in Nigeria. When it comes to violence, outside violence, we get an A1. Violence, we have one voice and we are united. You can't tell me otherwise. Did you know to the extent that Nigeria, like, what if South Africa with 60 million population, 60 million, want to start a fight with over 200 million plus population? What are they even thinking? The funny part is that Nigerians that are unemployed, Nigerians that are not unemployed are more than South Africa population. You know, Nigeria that are sitting down at home that is unemployed, not doing anything, are more than South African population. What do you think? That the energy of the unemployed will just let you sit down and order boats in Nigeria? What were you even thinking? Did you know, as I'm speaking right now, South African boat company has shut down their app? Yes, they have shut down the app because almost the way Nigerians trooping all the boats company in South Africa start ordering them, now they have shut down the app. They can't order. Did you know what Nigerians did? They started ordering food from food vendors. One of my South African friends called me that someone delivered he got delivery of two different food. I was like, he did not order food though. Nigeria now have started ordering food as they don't shut down their boats. Another even person, in fact, they even went and said that even if they shut the boat, they will start ordering their shower. They order their shower. Nigeria energy. You see Nigeria energy in violence. Now 10/10. So I think this is a lesson, a great lesson to South Africans and other African countries that want to mess with us. Don't mess with us because we fight ourselves in this country. It's our family problem. Remember, when they have fight in your family, it's a family issue. You go fight to settle. But when outsiders comes in, you go know, say, family fights is different from outside fights. The energy, the violence in family fight is different from the violence and energy in outside fight. This is just warning. Nigeria decided to just warn them. This is last warning. If you not mess with Nigerians again, una go shut down our country for one day. In fact, we go show una pepe. Just imagine 60 million population. They trouble a country that even jobless people are more than their population. If it comes to pettiness, Omo, no trials. In all, I have South African friends and I have South African followers, and I love them.
Nigeria and South Africa. field. Where do we begin with this here? Now, a person from South Africa decided that they're going to order Bolt. For my American audience or my non-African people, Bolt is like our Uber. I don't know if other countries outside of Africa, they have Bolts. They decided to order Bolts. I really don't know what kind of technology and smartness that person was on to order Bolts from Nigeria to come to South Africa. So the Bolt in Nigeria had to waste their fuel. I don't know. But let's watch this video and get to the bottom of it.
Bolt taxi prices are reportedly going through the roof in South Africa and Nigeria, all because the two countries are currently in the middle of trolling one another. In what's been called a Bolt war, South Africans and Nigerians are booking taxis in the other nation and then cancelling them at the last minute. Taxi drivers have reported that they're wasting time, money and fuel, driving between the fake bookings, and people are being left unable to pay for rides because of surcharging prices. It's got so bad that Bolt's restricted requests made between the two countries. It told us it was blocking users taking part in the prank, adding, "We understand the impact this situation has had on our driver partners in Nigeria and South Africa." This isn't the first time the countries have beefed online. They recently went head-to-head over the Miss South Africa competition and earlier on in the year over their football team.
I can never tell when these two are beefing, like if it's for real or if they're joking, because sometimes it's really intense and then sometimes it's like, oh, jokes. But me personally, I really love both countries, so I never have a side when it comes to them, and I usually just like sit back and watch so that I don't get attacked as well.
This is a complicated situation, ladies and gentlemen, but I think at this point it's safe to say it's a love and hate relationship between South Africa and Nigeria. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Natskunda Esther. If you are new here, hi, welcome. If you like my content, please consider subscribing, like, comment and share. And let me know what you think, because your comments are very important. Now, for my overstanding subscribers, guys, thank you so much for the love, care, and support. Now, tell me how smart somebody can be to be like, you know what? I am going to do this. But ladies and gentlemen, Nigerians, Nigerians, they decided that they will not sit there and wait for South Africa to challenge them. Nigerians did the same thing. Yo, guys, let me tell you something, ladies and gentlemen. Nigerians have money to waste. South Africans and Nigerians, you guys, I must stress, ladies and gentlemen, this is all happening because of Chidima. Chidima started the battle between Nigeria and South Africa. Of course, from day one, I don't even know if it's from the beginning of time. South Africans and Nigerians, they've been having this entire Nyana beef that was going on between them. From day one, I think it did rugby, I think it's it's what. A lot of mixture and things. But this one is tops. The tops of them tops. The pettiness is tops. Twitter is buzzing. Social media streets are buzzing. But let me tell you, Nigerians ain't chilling. Nigerians ain't chilling. This is what Nigerians are doing.
Sometimes Nigerians just overlook your foolishness. Not because they cannot handle you people proper, just because they don't have time for your drama. So they will just leave you people to the white, because the white are already handling you people proper. You guys went on Twitter and take it for a joke to order boats in Nigeria. You are playing this stupid game with a population 4 times yours. Black South Africa, and I know they learn. Now Nigerians order all the boats in South Africa and send it to one location. Left South Africans stranded with very expensive ride that they cannot book. And now some Nigerians are even booking their ashawos for they are in Nigeria. They are even ordering fridge and TV online. Some of you South Africa will learn the hard way. Majority of you guys are broke. You guys want to play games.
I go order like 17 towel, 100 pajamas. Go person house. Now Jeje will sit down. Now when I find trouble, my order perfume. Okay. Time for sweaters. Yeah, there was robbery. As I come up for here, I go order like 70 pizza, go police station.
And of course, South Africans will always find a way to. Yani, South Africans will always find a way to return the favor. Guys, do you understand how rich people can be to have a battle of let's see who orders the most balls? You know, we are in Louisiana, so we are going to order all other Ubers from California. Yeah. So all the Ubers from Cali, they come to Louisiana. So the people in Cali don't have transport. And us in Louisiana that are ordering the Uber, we don't use the Uber, but like can somebody just y'all, I want to be petty like this, like y'all make me rich. Let me be rich like this. I'm gonna be petty and order y'all like Uber. Guys. All in all, it doesn't make sense. In actual sense, the reality is Nigeria and South Africa are literally beefing in real life. And it's hectic and it's dangerous and it's not cutesy. It's not demure at all. All right? Yeah, we need to acknowledge that there's actually a big problem between South Africa and Nigeria. Hence, you see in South Africa, it's the Xeno thingy, you know, yeah, because majority of the times when it starts, it's the Nigerians that are targeted. But in situations like this, ladies and gentlemen, can Chidima just win Miss Universe at this point? Because if Chidima wins Miss Universe Nigeria, then Nigerians are going to be happy and then they'll be feeling like, yeah, we met her. And then South Africans are going to be like, no, that's our girl, but we voted, it's the votes. South Africa met her. Chidima is a chosen one, ladies and gentlemen. The way she has stirred up beef, you can start beef between Uganda and Rwanda, but between South Africa and Nigeria, Chidima, you have power, girl. You have power. This is all because of Chidima. 100%. Where do we go from here? Meanwhile, Chidima tells her story, ladies and gentlemen, with Tacha, the former BB Niger star. We are waiting to see if Chidima wins Miss Universe Nigeria and she goes on a global scale. I don't know if now it's going to be the South Africans that are going to be voting for Chidima to win Miss Universe entirely, or it's going to be the Nigerians that are going to be voting for Chidima to win Miss Universe entirely. But regardless, this is all good for Chidima. Whatever you do whatever you do, but put her on the top. Let the girl win at this point because she also wants the fame and yada yada. She's a pageantry girl. So she gotta win some pageants, okay? So whatever the beef is going on, I need to remind you, ladies and gentlemen, as black people, this is all for nothing. Premium or nothing. That's what South Africans and Nigerians decided to do. Premium beef. Yeah, you guys beef with money. Someone is doing shopping online to shop for people in South Africa so that they can have a lot of Amazon packages in their house. Yeah, Nigerians. Y'all let me know what you think in the comment section. But from me to you, this is hectic. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.